Okay, folks, here we have Bravo Kennels Liea again with Mike, coming out to do another part of the personal protection certification. Let's see how they do. Alright. This dog was just in a dog show yesterday and the day before. As with Fuega, Mike asked her to show for him yesterday, and today he's asking her to protect. How'd you like how that went, Mike?
It went pretty good. I didn't really have to do much anything. Kind of let her just take it away. She did good. She's still pretty focused over there on the threat.
When are we going to get to see her bite the sleeve?
I think next time. I think that's the 2.
Okay,
so
great.
We got her one down, and
oh, she got 2? The 1?
Yeah.
Just now?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Great.
Thank you.
Okay, folks, stay tuned. We'll see what happens in the certification for number 2.
Here we go. Out!